important question which has been raised by our party. For this, Honorable Minister for Home has given a reply and accepted in his reply that the traffic in Greater Hyderabad is increasing. And for the second question, where we had asked that the traffic police is collecting a huge amount towards penalty for the violation of traffic rules, the reply given is no. Madam, we all know that, and also I have the details, and information was sought under RTI, which I was informed under Right to Information Act that just in Hyderabad Commissionerate, 9,000 to 10,000 traffic challans are being imposed and 9 to 10 lakh rupees is collected as challans just in GHMC area. This is the information which has been given and provided by RTI to me. I fail to understand as to how the Honorable Minister is saying that the police are not collecting, and he says no for this second question, Madam. And I would like to ask through you to the Honorable Minister Sahab is that what is the total number of vehicles and driving licenses in the city? How many traffic personnel are working in city, and what is the exact requirement? Because unless and until we know what is the requirement, we cannot tackle this traffic congestion problem. And this cannot be denied that everywhere what we see is that we are having traffic congestions and traffic jams. Madam, through you, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister Sahab one more question. What is the first and foremost duty of a traffic personnel? सबसे पहला काम एक ट्रैफिक पुलिस का क्या है? ट्रैफिक को मॉनिटर करना है, ट्रैफिक को रेगुलराइज करना है, अगर कंजेशन है तो डीकंजेशन करना है. लेकिन हम जो देखते हैं हैदराबाद शहर में, वो ये देखते हैं कि ट्रैफिक पुलिस ट्रैफिक को मॉनिटर नहीं करती है, रेगुलेट नहीं करती है, ट्रैफिक जैम्स को खत्म नहीं करती है. अगर ट्रैफिक पुलिस अगर कुछ करती है तो ट्रैफिक पुलिस वाले सिर्फ चालान करते हैं. तो आखिर ये ट्रैफिक रेगुलेट कौन करेगा? And I would also like to know from your kind self, Madam, what is the percentage of public transport system available in the city? This is a very important. And from the last...
One request, sir. Now time is 1:30, question hour is over. I know your question's importance, I know. Please come on other form. I am requesting you.
Madam, just give me some few minutes, Madam, because it's an important question.
Sir,
I would be very thankful to you.
Your time is over now. Yesterday we have, in the BAC we have taken a decision. Sharp 1:30 we have to close the question hour.
Madam, but at the same time,
you come on another form, please.
Madam, with all,
I will guilt up. Please.
Madam, with due respect to the chair,
I know importance of the question, but we took decision in the BAC. That's why I am requesting you. Please, you come on another form, please.
Madam, with due respect to the chair, Madam.
All remaining questions are deemed to have been answered. All papers included in the agenda are deemed to have been placed on the table of the